We are at Lowe's and we are looking in the scratch and dent section. These are pretty, but they are not in the scratch and dent section. Anyway, it's crazy because every store we've been to, there's no prices on this stuff. Well, this has a price, but yeah, this is super pretty, but it doesn't have a price. It's got some scratches and dents on it. Love the color. Look how big these wash machines are. And they have a little extra washing space up here. These are demo models. You can make them wash and stuff. Hello, sir. What can I help you with today?
6 winning lottery numbers for the next lotto pool.
I'd love to have a top like this. Be easy to clean, but it's pretty expensive, and it's just the stovetop. Laugh out loud. Anyway, this is how we're spending our Christmas Eve. Went to Home Depot earlier, and I want one of these, but I want a better made one. Oh, look at that. That's cool. Just saying. I like these rustic ones. However, I do like the shiny ones too. Oh, wow. So pretty. Anyway, they don't have any prices, and they can't figure out how to get prices, so we are just waiting to see how much the refrigerator cost. And that's really pretty. So I just thought I'd walk around and see what else they have. Oh, look at this one. This unit is sold. Will deliver. It is sold. Anyway, so I guess I will cut it off now because it looks like we're just going to be sitting here for a while. And I don't know what we're going to do next, but it is our 29th wedding anniversary. We were married in 1988. So I'm hoping for dinner, laugh out loud. Okay, guys, this is Lisa with Barnyard Chicken, sending all my love and my hugs. It's amazing how expensive refrigerators are. I like this new color. I just thought I was leaving Laugh Out Loud.